Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful Christmas morning here in Celebration, Florida. Come on in, check it out. What a beautiful Christmas day here. We got the whole Medling World crew. We got Jake, we got Roberta. We're just hanging out here in Celebration, Florida, Town Center, our current hometown. We just met up with some friends at Starbucks. Enjoyed their company for about an hour and a half, and now we just wanted to make a quick vlog to say Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas. And if there's any other holidays to celebrate, Happy Holidays.
Happy holidays, guys.
Yes.
Just taking a little walk, and kind of just, for me anyway, guys, Christmas.
Yeah.
We've changed our way of how we deal with Christmas, because when we lived up north in Connecticut, the weather was not like this.
No.
That's for sure. So Christmas was kind of what you would see sometimes in the movies, right?
Yeah.
You'd go over Grandma's house and you'd have the fireplace and the stockings and a big meal, and the family would get together, which was wonderful. But here in Florida, look.
This is more like Brazil, where I grew up.
Right, where Roberta is from, right? Roberta, you grew up in the warm climate of Christmas time, and now
it's beautiful.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Such a lovely morning with friends. We're just loving it. So we now here, we kind of just take, I would say Thanksgiving and Christmas to us is just a day for us three to be together.
Yeah. And
maybe see some friends or say hello, but we're going to take this day and just have a nice, fun day together.
Yeah.
And again, if you're wondering all this stuff you're seeing, again, welcome to Medling World. If it's your first time watching, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. And maybe it's your second or third time watching, as which we're building up our channel every day. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed recently to Medling World. We welcome you to join us here on our channel, as we always keep it real on Medling World, no matter what we're doing. We enjoy little vlogs like this in celebration. We enjoy the theme parks, cruising, food reviews, whatever we do, we bring it to you the real way, I think, is how I like to say on our channel. Never scripted, always how we really feel.
As you're saying.
Yes, as I was saying, if you saw the tree where I opened the video and all these things here, this will be going on until December 31st this year, guys.
Yeah.
Each night, starting at 6, they have Snope. So there's still time to come down and enjoy. And I'll tell you what, this nice weather today has a lot of people hanging out down here. Also, Jake and Roberta, this is one of our favorite pools here. I'm going to show you guys. This is for the residents. I know a lot of people have found Medling World through searching for celebration. Yeah. I've met some people along my journey of vlogging that have said, "Hey Matt, I appreciate your vlogs about celebration, because you showed us a lot, and people move here." Yeah. So we always try to, when we do something in celebration, we try to show you different events, different things that go on. And today I just was over here by the pool, and actually this whole area here is all parking here for residents. As I was saying, I just ran into one of our neighbors, and actually a friend of ours who found us actually through Medling World. I was just talking about how people, it's kind of funny, I was just telling you, sometimes I meet people that moved here. Matter of fact, shout out to Butch and his wife. Amazing people. And personally, from Medling World to you guys, thank you for everything you do for us and for our channel. We are beyond grateful. So that's my personal Christmas message to Butch and his awesome wife, who are now our neighbors. But as I said, it was kind of neat. I was talking about, celebration and some of the things, and we like to show it. And then we run into somebody that actually we helped to educate. And now they're living here swimming on Christmas. So they're very happy about that. But anyway, this pool here behind me is lakeside. So this area is lakeside. They have residential bathrooms. You would need to get the residential card. I don't want to kind of get off the subject of Christmas, but I do like to add these kind of things onto our channel and while I vlog, because no vlog is ever the same on Medling World. We start out one way and you just never know where it's going to be. So this is one of the areas right here, resident only. I tell you, we've been coming down here, Jake, right, and Roberta. We've been coming down here the last few Christmases to do these little messages, and there are a lot of people around. Although it's getting to be lunchtime, so some of the restaurants, but yeah. So what's nice too this time of the year, they close all this road off so you can walk straight down the street. But I just wanted to show you. You'll see this as you're coming in. This is, by the way, Front Street right here. So you can come off this way. And you'll see here the signage. Now, if you're not a resident, you are more than welcome to walk. You can walk all around the lake. You can do all that. You just can't use that pool, the bathrooms, and there's a playground for residents only back there. So I want to be clear about that. This is Columbia. It's a restaurant. They do a lot of nice special meals here, Roberta. I think maybe one time we'll try it. We used to go out, remember? We used to, the first couple of years we lived here, we would go out for dinner or lunch on Christmas, but the last few years we've been just enjoying being at home. Matter of fact, Roberta, you're making one of your specialties today.
Yes.
Roberta will be making Brazilian style beef stroganoff. We can't wait to try it.
Yeah.
But yes, you can get a nice lunch here. Highly recommend making reservations. Roberta, of course, teaching Jake and I Portuguese. She's been trying to teach me Portuguese. Roberta, we've been married, what, 17 years?
18.
18 years? Yeah. Guys, you know, Roberta edits the videos and she's not going to take that off.
No.
Yeah, and a good thing I made the nice list. Now I guess I already started on the naughty list for next year. I forgot how many years I was married. But the point I was saying is, God bless you, Jake. Roberta has been trying to teach me Portuguese for 18 years. And I'm not very, very good.
No.
But Roberta, you do have to give me credit. When we do travel to Brazil, I do pick up a little bit better. Is that true?
Yeah. A little bit more.
We're usually speaking English in the house, so
Yeah.
it's more difficult for me to learn. But point was, I was trying to catch them on the camera as she was teaching Jake some more Portuguese because he's doing quite well. But just again, guys, want to wish a Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas, yeah.
A nice quick vlog. Wanted to reach out and just thank everybody. We are so grateful to everybody who has subscribed, everybody who watches Medling World.
Yes.
Hopefully this week we'll get out to the parks a little bit.
Yeah.
Show you maybe some of the crowds this time of the year. But the one thing that's so cool about Medling World, you just never know what's coming next.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments if you guys have any traditions you enjoy on Christmas.
Yeah.
And where are you from? Do you live in a warm climate? What do you do? It was funny because I was just saying, Butch, first time they ever got to swim on Christmas because they just moved here from a cold climate. So I'd be interested to know that. That would be fun. And of course, we read all our comments. We try to answer as many as we can here on Medling World. Once again, we're going to head home, help Jake assemble a couple things he got for Christmas today. So guys, Roberta, I will speak a little Portuguese here. Feliz Natal.
Feliz Natal.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah.
Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!